In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on and off account numbers in QuickBooks Online, a process that should take just around 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to organize your accounts more systematically with numbers, or prefer to keep things simple without them, this guide will help you navigate your preferences. First, you'll begin by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Go ahead and click on Sign In, which will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you haven't saved your login details, make sure you have them handy before proceeding. Once you've typed in your credentials, click on Continue. After signing in, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section, which you can find quite easily within QuickBooks Online's interface. Click on the gear icon labeled Settings. This is your portal to adjusting various configurations within your account. Next, under the Settings menu, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This option allows you to modify different aspects of your QuickBooks experience, tailoring it to your business needs. Once you're in the Account and Settings menu, look for the Advanced Settings section. This is where you'll find a handful of customization options that help refine how your QuickBooks account operates. Click on the Advanced tab to proceed. Within this tab, you'll see another section labeled Chart of Accounts. Select this option to review its settings. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts, you'll find an option titled Enable Account Numbers. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. If you want to use account numbers and don't have them activated already, you'll want to turn this toggle on. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use account numbers, simply switch this toggle off. Enabling account numbers can provide more organization, especially if your company deals with multiple accounts and requires a more structured framework. However, if simplicity is your goal, you might opt to keep them turned off. After adjusting the toggle to your desired setting, it's crucial to make sure you save your changes. Click on Save at the bottom of this section to ensure your new preferences are updated in QuickBooks. Saving these settings applies them across your account and you're all set. Remember, you can return to these settings at any time if you experience a change of heart or business dynamics alter, necessitating a different setup. Flexibility is key, and QuickBooks Online allows you to toggle this feature on or off whenever you feel it's necessary. I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your QuickBooks account settings. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.